Boom, what's up everyone's me boy. It's Kai Dragon, so we're playing some Roblox airplane story games, so let's go. Let's get in. Come on. Hurry.
Alright,
Oh, you're right next to me, Flash. Hi. Oh yeah guys, I'm here with my friend Flash.
I'm a turtle.
Okay, let's try to survive this airplane, guys. Okay, I am
Oh, I
in
think I played this
I'm
before.
on B6. Okay.
I'm on J. Where's J? Like, where's the letters?
You're on J?
Yeah,
J?
I'm on J8.
J's all the way over here. You're on window seat.
Oh,
Let's
yeah!
explore this plane first, guys. So I see two restrooms. Hello, everyone. This is your captain speaking.
Oh my
Welcome
god.
aboard flight 3995.
You could have just.
We're currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level, and the weather is looking good, which means we're going to be arriving in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore the airplane. Okay, so, there's 4 restrooms actually. Wow. Is this first class, Flash?
Yep, I can't afford that.
You couldn't afford it!
You couldn't either!
I told you to buy. Oh, Captain. This is Captain Day. Flash, you wanna
What?
jump out?
Oh, I want to jump out.
Now, please find your seats as we are about
Uh,
to cross the area of high altitude
I'm gonna
turbulence.
just sit in first class.
Flash, hurry before you die.
Wait,
Six, five.
why can't I go? God damn it, yo, I died.
No, no, you don't take damage.
Can I regenerate or no?
Yeah, they give you food, but you might be sick. Thank you for your cooperation. Wait, are there only 3 people here? No, there's 4.
No,
Get ready
four.
as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Flash,
Yay!
how about you read? I read for the captain, you read for yourself, and I read for other. Hello, everyone. You read this one.
No.
Hello, everyone. We are the crew members, and we'll be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy. Uh, okay. Yummy.
I ate it.
Um, this
I
was yummy.
it
Can I get
tastes
more? Can I
No!
get more? Hey, stop. Wait, I want.
Kyle, you're fat. Oh.
I'm not feeling very well.
Ooh, Kyle.
Wait, this sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo. Oh no! Quickly! We need to find his. It's Kai Dragon. Let's go find some baggage in the for the medicine. Look in the baggage stores. Flash, help!
Where's the freaking store? Oh!
Open everything!
I found it. Wait, is that it?
No, that's someone else's.
No, we're not letting you die. I got you.
You have to click on it when you find it.
I know.
I found my own.
Wait, then open it.
Someone help! It's right there.
Here. There
I
you go.
found it.
Yeah! I saved your life.
That was a close one.
I saved your life, Kyle.
Sit down.
Wait, why
Flash.
couldn't you click on it?
Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform we reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride.
Stop sleeping.
I'm awake.
How long until we get there? Let me go wait
Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs.
Wake
We
up!
will have a few hours to go.
Wake up!
Ah, okay.
How long until we get there?
Another 2 hours.
I don't want to wait.
It appears that we lost
energy.
energy. Ah, Flash, I'm scared of the dark. Hang on as we fix it. Flash, help!
What are we to play?
Look, guys, look. What is on the right ring? Wait, what?
It's a black guy.
It's a monster! Ah!
It's a ghost.
You will not
No.
survive! Ah! Are those snakes? Ah!
I'm gonna die.
Stay back!
Wait, just stand on the chairs. They can't get us if we're on the chairs.
No kidding! Wait, is that
So,
two monsters?
what do you mean I'm coming over to you?
There's an open restroom. Let's go! Over here!
Ah,
Ah, peeing!
what the hell?
Quickly, we'll get to safe. I think someone died.
Where's our teammate?
8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
It's only the
3,
two of us.
2, 1.
Only the two of us.
That was scary. I know, Flash, it was. We
I
should
was supposed to
discover
read
what
that.
the heck is happening.
We said, what the heck is happening?
Oh, yeah, I
We
forgot you
I
read
should be the one reading that.
Oh, because you said you don't want to read the other ones.
Because I don't know, I want to read my own.
Can I get out of here now?
We're kind of stuck in here.
Ah!
Take the key.
That's the key. Flash, I'm gonna move out of my seat and go somewhere else. I'm gonna go up here. If I can.
You can't go up there.
Tower's back up.
Here, I'll open it for you. Can't go up there, Kaya.
And those things are gone, thank God.
How there are even snakes in the first place?
That
That
creature on the
creature
wing.
on the wing is also gone creepy. Kaya.
Sorry, I didn't read it. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news.
There's two of us only.
The good news is the power's back up.
Let me read this other one.
Okay.
Well, it's not popping up. The bad news is that we are losing significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen's mass will drop from over
here,
the
Flash.
stage
Come on.
one quickly.
There's one over here.
Kyle! Wait, did I take it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you have it.
How are we losing oxygen?
I don't know.
I'm sitting right here.
The mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. Should we tell him about the monster?
Yay! We're not gonna die!
Should we tell him about the monster we saw?
Yeah, let's oh. What happened?
I'm scared.
I'm scared too.
Oh my!
My God.
What is?
What is this? It looks like a bomb. A bomb! Oh no!
What are we going to do? Okay, everyone, calm down. We're gonna find something sharp to cut the cables. We might be able to save Flash. Able to save Flash 31. Let's go. Oh, you have the bomb on you.
Yes!
I can't spray. found something.
What?
I found a pair of scissors.
Thank you, Kyle.
Stop moving. Quick. Cable should. What cable should I cut?
They're like the blue. I don't know.
I will cut the red cable.
Better not kill me. You better not kill me. Oh.
We did it!
I did not even get a bomb stuck to me in the first place.
Yeah, look, I saved you. Hey, you saved me. I saved you, Flash.
How did I even get a bomb stuck in my chest in the first place?
Maybe someone put it on you when the power went
Why
out.
is the passenger? They're asleep.
We haven't heard
We
from the crew.
haven't heard from the crew in a while. We said, look, we need the alarm tactic quickly. Get the captain. Get to the captain's room.
Wait, where's the flight attendant?
Over here.
Did you say they were sleeping?
Yeah, they're sleeping.
It's locked. Look, I'm scared. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. This door needs a code. We have to find it. We might be able to open it we might be able to open it. Hurry up. Let's go find the code. Hurry.
Alright. I look here. You look over there.
Wait, why the flight attendant stays on the job?
Look, there's something here. It tells me to get something. Never mind. You get it?
Oh, I found it. The code.
What is it?
6950. 6950. 6950. Hurry, we gotta get there. Wait. Oh, it's the monster. It's that creature. You will pay for what you have done.
What do we do? Hey, I'm gonna go close to him.
You can think you are here on accident. No, Flash, but you're not. Stay back, Flash. I brought you here. All of you. You killed my friend. That is not possible. Flash,
What?
you're the one that bought the tickets.
No, I didn't.
It is, and now it's time to die. Should we run?
Maybe yeah.
See you in the afterlife. Wait, it's disappearing. Hey, come back.
What is going on?
Wait,
Go in.
the captain is unconscious. Wake up. Wake your goddamn up. The plane is falling.
Plane is falling.
What are we
Oh.
going to do? We're gonna die. That's another drive.
No.
We need to find the autopilot button.
Where is it?
I don't know. Click everything and find that button before we die.
I got it.
No, you didn't.
Why is it all red?
That's what we're supposed to do.
Oh, just click everything?
Yes. You click that side. I'll click this side.
Okay. Hurry up, Kyle.
How then? I can't click.
What do you mean? You're gonna get us killed.
I found the button.
Hey, I'm looking outside. You can go out. You can look outside. If
We
you come
did
up
it.
here.
We saved the plane.
Wait, well, we're in space.
It's been a very crazy fight. I just want to be home already.
Are they still unconscious?
happens? Flash.
Oh, now all you need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for help. And they're on connection. Where's the emergency phone?
I found it.
You just found it already. Yes! We did it, I think. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious.
Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay?
Yes, we are okay. Autopilot mode is on.
Okay,
Hiya!
we traced your location. We are taking control. Okay, fine. I think we should get in our seats again. There is one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep track on the plane. We can't get out. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat aside the captain.
You or me?
Do you know how to fly?
No.
Luckily
I took my driver's license.
Luckily, I took a plane driver license, so I'll make sure.
Better not crash it. Ah!
Okay, everyone, I got this.
Kyle, you better not crash it.
Don't worry.
Kyle!
Oh no, is it back?
It's back, it's behind you.
Mwahahaha! You humans are funny. Your destination has already been written. Last chance, Skydrago _571. Crash this plane and we will rule the underworld for eternity. Should I? No, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. You humans are so weak. This is not the last time you see me. Mwahahaha! Wait, I'm not dead? I thought he was gonna kill me.
It's gone. Wait, he said it will not be the last time we see him. What did he mean? Who cares? Let's get back home. I'm about to throw up.
We should do
I
this
don't
again.
think-
I wanna see what happens if I did crash the plane, Flash.
No, God.
Yeah, let's do it. I wanna see what happens if we
No,
crash
we're
the
not
plane.
crashing the plane.
Let's do it again though, at least.
No, we're doing part 2.
Okay guys, let's try to do this again. Let's do it one more time, Flash.
No.
Come on.
Okay, I don't want to write that one though.
Okay, let's go.
Wait. How many people are in this one?
Let's go here. There's 2 people here.
Where? Oh.
B.
Yeah! You better not crash it.
Oh, let's see who drives it.
You.
Oh, let's hope I can drive it. Let's hope they don't die. Let's hope they don't get it before I do.
Okay, hopefully
I'm
you're the one who probably gets poisoned again.
What?
because
Not on I-6.
it's still on J1! A 5. Wait. Oh, hey, I'm on first class. I think. Nope. Never mind.
Hello, everybody. This is your
What
captain
do you
speaking.
see? No.
Welcome aboard flight 1843. We are currently flying in an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather is looking good, which means we'll be arriving in no time to our destination. feel free to explore the airplane. I was just walking around. First, I see the captain's room. There's a pair of scissors. What are you doing?
I'm just jumping.
Okay.
Uh, 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 uh.
So guys, you guys already saw the other one. Now, please find your seats as we are about to cross the area of high altitude turbulence.
Kyle, get in your seat.
Oh, I'm right behind you, Flash.
Yeah. I couldn't afford first class.
Idiot.
I'm broke. I'm broke.
Because you had to carry your little two children around.
You didn't give me money.
Thank you for your cooperations. Flash, sit down.
No.
Okay, have fun dying.
Oh,
Get ready
no.
as our crew prepares a snack for everybody.
I'm hungry.
Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Can I have seconds if I'm still hungry? Nom 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 nom. nom.
No. What happened last time?
Hey, can I get one more? Please?
What happened last
Miss?
time?
Let me get one more.
What? What happened last time?
Give me one more. Please? Miss?
What happened last time? Oh, start looking, Kyle. Start looking. Start looking.
Wait, no. I'm not feeling well. Wait, this sandwich has mayo.
Oh, I found it. I found it. I found it. I found it.
I'm allergic to mayo.
I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna just wait. Or do you want to get it?
No. Oh no. Quickly, we need to find this Smurf Fellow 67's baggage for medicine. Look at the baggage storage.
Yeah.
Flash,
What?
read.
Read. Oh. I was supposed to say I found it.
Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform we are reaching a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back and take a nap and enjoy the ride. Sit at your seat.
No. I'm gonna get copyrighted if I can sing it. I don't know.
Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We have a few hours to go.
Kyle.
Ah, what?
Can I get $5 for the internet password?
No, sit back. It appears that we lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Guys, look at what is on the right wing. Wait, what's on the right wing? What is that?
Hi.
What are you saying? Hi?
It's a friend.
No, it's not. You will not survive. Not get on seat.
He looks
Oh, no.
nice.
Ooh, I love steak.
I'm coming over to you, Kyle.
Wow, I want to see what happens when I go to them.
No, you're gonna take damage. That's what's gonna happen.
Hey, steak. Ah!
You are so close. You're so lucky.
Ah!
Kyle, don't you
Guys, there's an open restroom. Quickly. We will be there safer. Oh, hey, pretty girl.
What the fuck, Kyle?
Hey, cutie.
What is wrong with you?
What is a cute girl?
You have a girl.
Oh, everyone's here. Woo. Okay.
No.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, there we go. else but you, Kyle.
Discuss what the heck is happening. I don't have money right now.
Yes, you do.
I just don't have Robux.
Fine. I mean, my whole outfit cost me like 300-ish. I don't know why. So we're crashing the plane, right?
I like how they're all three girls, but there's only two boys here. Flash, is this weird?
No, we're thinking nothing.
Okay, let's get back to our seats, Flash.
I want to ride first class.
Tower, Flash.
I want to go to first
Flash!
class.
You're reading.
Oh yeah, back. Oh, and the snakes are gone. Thank God. We don't have to read that.
Oh, the creature on the wing is gone too.
No, we don't have to read that. Oh,
Creepy.
back to the.
A treacherous passage. I have good news and bad news. The good news is the power is back. What's the bad news? The bad news is we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. The oxygen ash will drop above from your seat.
They're
Take
gonna be
one-
right here. They're gonna be right here. I got it.
I got
Get it,
one.
Kyle.
Wait, no, I don't.
Kyle, go get that. Oh yes, you do. You have it.
Oh, I have one.
Get back in your seat.
I don't think he had. There's only a amount. The mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen level. Oh no.
Oh yeah, back to the question, Kyle. Can I have $5?
No.
But I need it. I want the internet.
Oh my
Oh.
god.
Oh,
What is this? It looks like a flash.
it's not there. Oh, it looks like a bomb.
What are we going to do? Okay, everyone. Calm down. We're gonna find something. How's it got to get Game mode? We might be able to save this guy. Me, let's go. Flash!
I found it for your secret. Come here,
Ah.
Kyle. I'm gonna cut off the red one. Wait, which one do I actually cut?
I don't know, just pick one. Hurry!
Red!
I'll cut the red cable.
No! Oh. Oh my god, Kyle. Oh my god.
We did it!
Oh, wait. Oh yeah, back to the question again. $5?
No,
Internet?
no,
I need the internet.
you're not getting $5 yet.
You, but I paid for this whole trip.
I'll pay you back.
Okay, then I want my
We haven't heard from the crew
$500.
in a while. Let's go find them. We should look for them and check if
You're
everything's
paying
okay.
me the 500, Kyle.
I found them. They're unconscious. We need to alert the captain. Quickly, get to the captain's room.
I'm close to the captain. Oh, we quickly go to the captain. We already did.
It's locked.
It's locked.
Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. This door needs a code.
I found
The door needs a code. We find it. We might be able to open it. Hurry up. I found
Oh,
it.
I need a backup before the thing. See the door's gonna pop up? Yep, backup. Hey, what happened to my actually do it?
It's the creature.
Remember, we're gonna have to get to pressing the button.
You will pay for what you've done. You think you are here on accident? But plane is falling. The plane is falling. What are we gonna do?
We need to find the autopilot button. Wait, where was the button last
I
time?
don't know. It changes though, Flash.
Oh.
I found the button.
This music
We
is
did it.
fire.
We saved the plane. Yeah, it's really.
It's really very quickly fight. I just went to control wire. The song is fire, Kyle.
I know, I love it.
Are you sure you're not gonna get copyrighted?
No. Now we all need to find an emergency phone so we can call for help.
I'm going over there.
I'm gonna stand on the captain and see what.
Oh yeah. Make sure to
See if he can wake up. Wake up, Captain! Wake up! Wake up! I said wake up!
Kyle, I don't think he wakes up. What is?
Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious.
Oh, you spawn over here, Kyle.
Don't
You're gonna have
worry,
to get
we will
ready.
get you home in no time. Okay. Yes. We are okay. Autopilot mode is on. Okay. We trace your location and we are taking control. There is one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track.
Kyle, go get
Find
ready to
someone
run.
to sit on the co-pilot seat aside the
You're gonna jump.
captain.
You're gonna jump. You're gonna have to jump. Wait, you're gonna crash it, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright.
Maybe, I don't know.
Please. I wanna see what happens when you jump.
Yeah, 'cause we already did the one where we didn't crash it. Yes, I got it. This is fun. Okay, everyone, I got this.
I don't think you have it, Kyle.
What? Oh no, it's that. Mwah, ha 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 ha. You humans are funny. Your destiny has already been written. Last chances, Kai_571. Crash this plane and we will rule the underworld for eternity.
Crash it, Kyle.
Yes, I will crash the plane tonight now. This has to be done.
The other players
Foolish
probably-
humans.
Wait, what?
All this time you trusted this guy Juggler 571 and he was always on my side. Now take us home, it's Kai Juggler 571. I'm sorry, Flash. Yes, master.
What the hell?
I'm sorry. Ha 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 ha.
The other players probably mad, Kyle.
Victory.
Yeah, victory. There's just a question mark. We don't even know if we won or lost. I think we just won. What happened?
Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you guys get notified anytime I post. Also, new videos every week. Also, go follow my other account link down in the description down below. Also, go follow my Twitter either where I need you guys join, or I'll be posting the username in the description down below. New videos every week. I always said that. It might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know. But I'll see you all in the next one. Good. Bye.